Can a single-engine fighter jet defeat massive twin-engine warplanes worth billions of dollars? In today's modern warfare, twin-engine jets are famous for their raw power, but single-engine fighters have become the backbone of many of world's top air forces because of their agility, lower cost, and fuel efficiency. However, there is one major risk. If that single engine fails during combat or after a bird strike, the pilot may have no choice but to eject. So, why is the world still obsessed with them? Let's dive into this thrilling list of top 10 single engine fighter jets in the world, where combat stories of top 3 aircraft might leave you speechless. Number 10, Aero L159 ALCA. The Czech Republic's Aero L159 ALCA is a light attack and trainer aircraft known for its lower operational cost and easy maintenance. It made its maiden flight in 1997 and has been used on the front lines in an anti-terror operations in Iraq. The aircraft cost around $15 to $19 million and has a top speed of 936 km per hour. The Czech Air Force operates around 24 of these jets, while Iraq has also used them in combat. But the truly dangerous fighters are still ahead. Number 9, HAL Tejas. India's HAL Tejas is one of the most compact single-engine fighter jets in the world. The project began in 1980s, but aircraft made its first flight in 2001 and officially entered service in 2016. It has not yet participated in a major international war. The jet cost around $40 to $45 million and can reach speeds of Mach 1.6. India currently operates more than 40 Tejas fighters, with dozen more already on order. It is still trying to establish itself in the export market. Number 8, KAI FA-50 Fighting Eagle. South Korea's FA-50 started as a supersonic trainer aircraft but has now evolved into a capable combat fighter. It first flew in 2011. The Philippine Air Force used it successfully during the 2000 Battle of Marawi against terrorist hideouts. The aircraft cost around $30 million and can fly at Mach 1.5. Countries like Philippines, Malaysia, Indonesia, and Poland are rapidly purchasing this jet. And now comes a fighter with experience from multiple combat zones. Number 7, Mirage 2000. France Mirage 2000 is a legendary delta wing fighter that has earned respect worldwide. It made its maiden flight in 1978. The aircraft has participated in major conflicts, including the Gulf War, the Balkan conflicts, and the Kargil conflict. It can reach an incredible speed of Mach 2.2. France, India, Greece, and Taiwan still operate this aircraft today, although its production has already ended, but the real battle of speed and technology is still to come. Number 6, Saab Draken. Sweden's Saab Draken is considered one of the most unique single-engine fighters ever built because of its unusual double delta wing design. It first flew in 1955. During the Cold War, it served as Sweden's aerial shield against Soviet bombers. The aircraft could reach speeds close to Mach 2, which was extraordinary for its era. Although it has now retired from active service, the Draken still holds a respected place in aviation history. Number 5, JAS-39 Gripen. Sweden's JAS-39 Gripen is considered an engineering masterpiece. It can take off and land from ordinary highways and roads. The aircraft made its first flight in 1988 and participated in NATO missions during the 2011 Libya operation. The modern Gripen E cost around $85 million and can fly at Mach 2. It has been exported to countries including Brazil, South Africa, Thailand, and Hungary. But now comes one of the Asia's most dangerous predators. Number 4, J-10C Firebird. China's J-10C is a modern single-engine fighter that looks like a raging eagle in the sky. The advanced J-10C version made its first flight in 2015. It is equipped with AESA radar, advanced electronic warfare system, and long-range missiles. The aircraft cost around $40 to $50 million and can reach Mach 2.2 speed. China operates more than 250 J-10Cs, while Pakistan became its first international customer. But the world's most famous single-engine fighter is still waiting ahead. Number 3. F-16 Fighting Falcon. The F-16 Fighting Falcon is one of the most successful and battle-tested single-engine fighters in history. It first flew in 1974 and has taken part in conflicts ranging from the Gulf War to Afghanistan, Iraq, and even the Ukraine conflict. Its latest F-16V Viper variant is still considered one of the most dangerous fighter jets in the world. The aircraft costs between $70 and $80 million and can fly at Mach 2. More than 25 countries still operate over 2,000 F-16s today. But now comes the fighter jet that shocked the world with its low cost and modern capabilities. Number 2. JF-17 Thunder Block 3. Jointly developed by Pakistan and China, the JF-17 Thunder Block 3 is considered an affordable fighter packed with modern technology. Its first prototype flew in 2003. The aircraft has been used in counter-terror operations in Waziristan. During the 2025 Pakistan-India aerial tensions, Pakistani media and defense circles claimed that JF-17 Block 3 and J-10C used their advanced BVR capabilities and electronic warfare systems against India aircraft, including Rafales. One of the jet's biggest strengths is its price, $55 to $30 million, while reaching speeds between Mach 1.6 and 1.8. The Pakistan Air Force currently operates more than 150 JF-17s. The aircraft has already been exported to Myanmar, Nigeria and Azerbaijan, while several other countries have also shown interest. And now comes the aircraft many consider the king of future. Number 1. F-35 Lightning II. The F-35 Lightning II is the world's most advanced fifth-generation stealth single-engine fighter jet. It is extremely difficult to detect on radar. The aircraft made its first flight in 2006 and Israel became one of the first countries to use it in real combat missions in the Middle East. The F-35 is not just a fighter jet, it is often described as a flying digital warfare system. Its sensor fusion, stealth technology, and advanced computerized system make it one of the deadliest combat aircraft ever built. The jet cost between $80 and $100 million, while a single hour of flight operations can cost a fortune. The United States and its allies now operate more than 1,000 F-35s and global demand for the aircraft continues to grow. And now let's talk about the future. Turkey's Hurjet, China's AI-powered drones, and future unnamed single-engine combat aircraft could completely change the face of aerial warfare. These aircraft will likely be cheaper, smarter, and far less risky for pilots. These were the 10 single-engine fighter jets that changed the history of air combat. Single-engine fighters may be cheaper, faster, and extremely dangerous, but they also carry one major weakness. If that single engine fails, the pilot's chances of survival become dangerously low. So, in your opinion, which is the most dangerous fighter jet of them all? Pakistan's JF-17 Thunder Block 3 or America's F-35 Lightning II? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more thrilling and informative military videos.